Mastering IPC-A-610. IPC-A-610 is the secret to producing flawless electronics. When implementing industry standards for electronic assembly, what is the primary purpose of IPC-A-610, and how does its adoption and adherence contribute to achieving operational excellence in the production of high reliability, high-performance electronic assemblies? The primary purpose of IPC-A-610 is to provide a set of standardized criteria for the acceptance of electronic assemblies, ensuring that they meet the required quality and reliability standards for high reliability, high-performance applications. This industry-accepted standard establishes a common language and set of expectations for the electronic assembly industry, encompassing a wide range of products, including aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive electronics. The IPC-A-610 standard focuses on the visual inspection of electronic assemblies, providing detailed guidelines for the acceptability of components, solder joints, wire harnesses, and other aspects of electronic assembly. The standard is divided into three classes of product: Class 1, General Electronic Products; Class 2, Dedicated Service Electronic Products; and Class 3, High Reliability Electronic Products. Adopting and adhering to IPC-A-610 contributes significantly to achieving operational excellence in the production of high reliability, high-performance electronic assemblies in several ways. 1. Consistency and standardization. IPC-A-610 ensures consistency in the quality and reliability of electronic assemblies across different production lines, factories, and organizations. By following a standardized set of criteria, manufacturers can guarantee that their products meet the required specifications, reducing the risk of defects and variability. 2. Improved quality and reliability. The standard's emphasis on visual inspection and acceptance criteria ensures that electronic assemblies are built to last, with a focus on reliability and performance. By adhering to IPC-A-610, manufacturers can reduce the likelihood of defects, failures, and rework, resulting in higher quality products that meet customer expectations. 3. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By producing electronic assemblies that meet the high standards set by IPC-A-610, manufacturers can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. This, in turn, can lead to repeat business, positive word of mouth, and a stronger reputation in the market. 4. Reduced costs and waste. Implementing IPC-A-610 can help manufacturers reduce costs associated with rework, repair, and scrap. By identifying and addressing defects early in the production process, manufacturers can minimize waste, reduce downtime, and optimize resource allocation. 5. Improved training and competence. IPC-A-610 provides a framework for training and certification programs, ensuring that production staff, inspectors, and engineers have the necessary skills and knowledge to identify defects and produce high-quality electronic assemblies. 6. Increased efficiency and productivity. By streamlining the production process and reducing the need for rework, manufacturers can increase efficiency and productivity. This enables organizations to meet customer demand more effectively, respond to market changes, and stay competitive. 7. Compliance with industry regulations. IPC-A-610 is widely recognized and respected across the electronic assembly industry, and many customers and regulatory bodies require compliance with this standard. By adopting IPC-A-610, manufacturers can demonstrate their commitment to quality, reliability, and safety, ensuring compliance with industry regulations and standards. 8. Continuous improvement and benchmarking. The IPC-A-610 standard encourages continuous improvement and benchmarking, enabling manufacturers to assess their performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes to optimize their production processes. In conclusion, IPC-A-610 is a critical component of operational excellence in the production of high reliability, high-performance electronic assemblies. By adopting and adhering to this standard, manufacturers can ensure consistency, improve quality and reliability, enhance customer satisfaction, reduce costs and waste, improve training and competence, increase efficiency and productivity, comply with industry regulations, and drive continuous improvement and benchmarking.